Hi, my name is Alan Pecor, and today we are going to review how to open up the bottom case for the C-Astral Bramor PPX, as well as identify key components of the catapult. As discussed in the first tutorial, the Bramor UAS comes in two cases. In order to access the bottom case, you will have to detach it from the top case. Before doing so, it is recommended that you inspect both cases to ensure that the locks are secure. Shown in the image on the left is an example of a secure lock. Notice how the latch is locked in place. Highlighted in red on the image in the right are each of the locks you should inspect before detaching both cases. Next, it's time to remove the locks that hold together the two cases. These are located between the handles. When unlocking, make sure the latch is out of the way of the cases shown in the following video. Upon removal of the locks, ask an assistant to help you remove the top case. Given the fact the system is bulky, communicate with each other and be aware of your surroundings. Finally, you have access to the bottom case. Shown in this image is the folded up catapult. The items you should be able to identify are the elastic bungees, the leg plate, the middle lock, the catapult rail, the trolley, the crankshaft, and the brake line, which I'm going to draw around right over here. By viewing this tutorial, you now have a better idea about the items you will find in the bottom case. For more complex training material, refer to my online portfolio at alanpecor.blogspot.com. Thank you.